Washington speaking. First, I'd like to welcome everybody on the Baltimore-Washington International Airport Trail in Maryland. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 3 feet and at an airspeed of 10 miles per hour and travel the distance about 11 miles. We'll be riding over beautiful vistas while watching planes. So fasten your helmets. Bike riders, prepare for takeoff. Let's go riding! I haven't seen one plane since we took off. What has a nose and flies but does not smell? I assume a plane. It's a plane, it's a plane.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Will invisible planes be a thing? I really don't see it taking off.
We'll be experiencing some slight turbulence.
Basically, it's all flat. There is a small incline here, but mostly flat, which is quite nice. So this trail connects to the BWI trail that goes to Annapolis, and we did a tour on it. It's really great. Check it out. Click on the link above. Here we go. This is the Benson Harmon House, built in 1800s. When the airport purchased this property, this was the only historical house that wasn't demolished. The Historical Society restored it. It's a 200-year-old house, and they only pay $1 a year to lease this place. If you get a chance to go inside, it's like walking into a time capsule back into the 1800s. They also have a large collection of dolls. So if you like dolls, that could be interesting.
Oh, I put up my doll collection.
Oh my God. What is that?
So do you know Barbie's real name? Barbara? What? Yes. Death-defying. Have to cross the railroad tracks. I don't know if I'm crazy about that. Surprisingly very quiet. I think we're near an airport. How lovely on this trail. You can stop and watch the horses. What is this? Is it art? Is it part of the horse farm? Is it an alien? Is it a UFO? It's a plane propeller. Why do you guys ride bikes?
Exercise.
Exercise?
I love to ride. I got my man Shuni right here. He's gonna be hitting it hard. He loves to ride.
Going over the highway. I got lost going to the parking lot. I got lost on the trail. And I really thought I had a good sense of direction. No, you don't. I don't know whether to go clockwise or counterclockwise is best. There's hills in both directions, but going clockwise, there's a little more signage. You don't get lost. That would have been helpful. This trail is really for commuters. It's a commuter trail. That's what they made it for. The end of the runway right here. As you're on the trail, you can watch the planes land. They're going right on top of you. Bike riders, prepare for landing, please. Thank you for riding with us. Hope to see you riding. Hit that button, subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you riding.